Rosa. Stock Center. This thunderstorm could intensify quickly, so be ready to act if a warning is issued. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stearns County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:51 p.m., radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 5 miles northwest of Melrose to 4 miles west of Meyer Grove to 5 miles northwest of Belgrade and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Pelosa, Belgrade, Meyer Grove, Melrose, Georgeville, New Munich, St. Rosa, Freeport, Lake Henry, Albany, Rossville, Holdingford. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for damaging winds and large hail. Yeah, it's now inside a sturdy structure.
Yeah, it's the one stuff we see lightning right now from.